TCWB M20TG for spindle pass-through nut tapping machine with for spindles suitable for tap hexagon nuts, flange nuts, weld nuts, round nuts, and square nuts. Spindle servo motors 4.4 kilowatts and 5.5 kilowatts with speed 1500 RPM. Feed servo motors 0.75 kilowatt with speed 3000 RPM. Tap range from M10 to M20. Productivity per spindle 20 to 30 PCS per minute. 3 types of fixtures available: flat push fixture, clamp fixture, and spring jaw fixture. Advantages: can automatically choose and separate defective parts, with screw tap wearing out or breaking warning, with high accuracy. Dimensions: 1850 mm length, 1500 mm width, and 1880 mm height. Weight 3000 kilograms.